When it comes to sealing any type of a pipe thread, using a tape like this can be a great choice. But unfortunately, most people believe that more is better. But that's just the tip of the iceberg, because your average DIYer uses this tape incorrectly nearly every time. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use this tape properly on everything from copper and brass to stainless steel and even plastic threads like a pro every time you use it. Here's one of the most common ways that people mess up. They go too far with the tape. Now, it's okay to pretty much cover every other part of it except for the first two threads. These first two that I've marked in red are different. They have a greater taper that are designed to help assemble the fittings easier. If you cover them up with tape, you're not only going to get in the way. If that tape gets in front of the fitting, you can impact the flow in your pipe. And if that tape breaks off down the road, it could even clog something like a strainer inside an appliance like a dishwasher. Before you even start this job, you want to spend a second or two on prep. Go ahead and grab something like a rag or a toothbrush and just scrub those fittings so that they're spotless. They don't need to be visually clean. You're just trying to get off any type of particles or buildup that could interfere with the tape. But always remember the golden rule. You can use a plastic bristle brush on any type of a fitting, whether it's metal or plastic. But you can only use a metal brush on metal fittings. That can be handy if you're trying to get off a little bit of corrosion, but if you use it on plastic, you'll cause a type of micro scratch that can actually create leaks. And another super common mistake is putting the tape on backwards. Now you can wrap this tape any way you want, but you will be doing it wrong. The tape will always get wound in a clockwise direction. Now of course this wouldn't apply if your pipes had reverse threads, but those almost never appear on any type of a plumbing system. Now many people will say they've done it wrong and they still got a good seal, but that is only left to chance, and it can develop leaks later. The reason it's wrong is look at the tape at the end. It's pointing towards you. That means when you put a fitting onto this, it will actually be fighting against the tape, and as you thread it on, you'll bunch it up, and you will push it away from the threads, which is exactly what you don't want. Now I'll show you how to do this job like a pro. And here's an extra tip. Always start your taping from the back of the fitting going forward in a clockwise direction. You want to keep a finger on that tape to apply a bit of tension, and that is much easier to do if you're starting at the back. Next, you'll want to wrap around that fitting 2 or 3 times only. I like to go right up to those first 2 threads, and then I'll go backwards to apply the next 2 or 3 layers of tape. The only time I'll use a lot more tape is if I have a really old or a damaged fitting. Applying a lot more tape actually doesn't give you a better seal. But on newer pipes, if you apply too much tape, you're simply going to push it right out of the fitting. Or worse, it'll make the fitting so thick you won't even be able to assemble it properly. And here's that same job done from a different angle. I like to hold the tape upright on my right hand, and then I will simply wrap it around the fitting while keeping a little bit of tension on the tape until it's able to hold on there on its own, always being sure to leave those last 2 threads untaped. But what type of tape is the right one for my job? I've seen lots of different colors at the store, and unfortunately, these colors don't really mean much of anything. There are some guidelines that most companies follow. Blue and white typically are referred to as standard tapes. Most of them can be used on any type of a metal or plastic pipe. Always follow the directions, of course. And this type of tape is perfect to keep in your house for a DIYer or for general work. Next, we've got the magical pink tape. Well, in fact, this is just a thicker, heavier duty tape. Now you probably think, why wouldn't you use this for everything? Well, the answer is the tape is too damn thick.
It's only really needed for old or damaged threads where you need extra sealing. But keep this in mind, even regular white or blue tape can do the same job. You just apply a bit more on older threads. Yellow tape is typically used on gas lines, and at Cymatic Plumbing Solutions, we handle gas work safely and professionally to ensure everything is installed and sealed to the correct standard. Now here's a tape that is actually different. This is sealing tape for stainless steel fittings. It has a unique makeup designed specifically to prevent issues like galling and ensure a proper seal on stainless connections. Stainless steel fittings have become more popular, and they require the right type of tape to seal properly. If you use the wrong tape, you're likely to end up with leaks. The brand doesn't matter. What matters is using tape designed for stainless steel. These tapes contain special compounds that help prevent a problem called galling, which is common with stainless fittings. Here is an example of what happens if the wrong tape is used. This customer tried to install the system himself using regular tape on stainless steel fittings, and it ended up causing leaks throughout the setup. Once the correct tape was used, the connections sealed properly, and the problem was resolved. The biggest mistake many people make is using Teflon or sealing tape when they don't even need to, and it provides no benefit. Here we've got that same fitting, along with a stainless steel hose, and you'd think that using that sealing tape would be a benefit. But when we take it apart, look inside. We've got a rubber washer. This completely does the sealing job the same way that your garden hose adapters work.
So putting tape on those outside threads isn't giving you any benefit at all. And worse, it could even hide a leak inside the fitting that you'll just never know about. So save wasting that tape on a job like this and apply it only to fittings that are required. In the world of plumbing, no one wants leaks, and using this sealing tape is a great way to make sure that your plumbing connections stay solid and leak-free for ages. And I hope these tips can help make sure that every time you're using tape, you do the job like a pro, but in a way you can do yourself.